morning, everybody. How are you? It's Miranda here with Doing Life, and today in my life I have a Homechef box. It's pretty heavy, but that's what the box looks like. And if it's a little louder today in my house, I have people home because it's holiday season now, and it's also the weekend, but they're watching TV. Usually I film on the other side of my big pocket doors, and it gets rid of some of the noise, but this time that was just not a possibility because I needed to film where you guys could see everything. Okay, so if you are not aware, Homechef is kind of like all the other ones. It's like HelloFresh, Blue Apron, all of those meal service subscriptions. Now, this one I picked just because I wanted to try it first. It is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I will have a code down below. You can click on it and see what you like. I got 3 meals a week, or 3 meals a week for 4 people. So that's what I ordered. I am going to be trying out all of the subscriptions, or most of them, throughout the next couple months on my channel. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. So I bent you down a little bit so that you could actually see the table and see what's going on. So you're not going to be able to see me as much as what's going on with the box here. But this just got delivered via FedEx. We are fixing to go Black Friday shopping, but the FedEx guy handed this to Mike, and I wanted to go ahead and get it all unpackaged and in the fridge. All right. So as you can see here, it is all wrapped up really nicely. Nice catch. It's got all kinds of foam around it to keep everything nice and cold. I am curious to see how it did because it was a day late because of weather, and then it was Thanksgiving. So we do have this little package here. My cat is going insane, so you can probably hear him too. A wine voucher, I never use those. It's easy to switch, and the reasons are plenty. 24/7. Oh, that's Geico. Oh, and then Grove. I already used Grove. All right, so let's see how everything held up. Where is my package? All right, so I've opened up the box. The first thing is the cheddar and crispy potato crusted chicken. It says right there what it is. Looks like it's got some scallions in it, some of the potatoes, a pepper, and some kind of sauce down there, or dressing. And I ordered for a family of 4, even though there's only 3 of us here. I ordered the 4 because it was either 2 or 6, and hopefully it'll give us a little bit extra that Mike or I can take it for lunch. And it is still pretty cold, which is good since it was a day later. All right, this is the next meal. It's the Alfredo chicken with arugula salad. And pork chop with feta, butter, and roasted red pepper pesto and green beans. I also do like that if you have any food allergies, it says down here like this. If you have a dairy, that says milk. This is another one of the feta ones. It's got some kind of sauce and butter. And this one is also the Alfredo chicken. Alright, so there was the top of the box. That was all that. And then down in the bottom, dividing it with this little piece of cardboard, is the meat. I do have, they put in this pack, 2 packs of cold to keep all the meat cold. So as you can see, we have chicken, and I think, what did I say the other was? Pork. And then also in the box is this binder. Put y'all back up a minute. I know it's loud. Alright. So you get this binder to hold all of your recipes. So it says Homechef recipes. And welcome to Homechef. It says a variety of dishes each week. You can choose from a variety of meals to fit your appetite and explore new recipes. And then over there, earn $30 credit if anybody signs up under me. There's the binder. Then on this side is the actual recipes. So the cheddar and crispy potato crusted chicken, and it tells you what all comes in your box and what you'll need. So I'll need olive oil, salt, and cooking spray, and then the pans, and it tells exactly how to cook it. Then this one, the pork chop and feta butter. All I'll need is olive oil, salt, and pepper, so that's nice. And I think that I paid $99 for mine. And then this one is the Alfredo chicken. All right, let's get cooking. Okay, so the first meal that we're gonna have is the pork chops with feta butter. I have already patted out the pork chops. It says to mix the feta cheese and the butter that it came with together, so I've done that. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on there, and then I'm also going to put, it came with a chimichurri seasoning that it also calls to put on there. Will you open those? So this is the seasoning. It comes with a little packet. It smells pretty good. What do you think? Think it's good?
Yeah, it smells good.
Somebody's at the door. I think Matthew has a frog spinning up. Alright, let's do this side. And then we'll put it, it calls for olive oil, which you're supposed to get yourself. But I didn't have any olive oil, so I am going to use a avocado pan. spray in my pan. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands and then we'll get that in there and start cooking our pork. Alright, so I'm gonna put my pork in the pan. Throw the plate away. And then we're also going to add, this is a lot of green beans, which is fine. Somebody will eat them.
I like green beans.
You think I can fit both in there?
Yep.
Mike did open up this pesto sauce and he tried it.
Good.
It smells really good and he said it tasted really good. And that will go on the beans. So let me get a little bit of water. Pork is done. The beans are now done, so I'm going to add the roasted red pepper pesto and stir it into the beans. Now I kind of found that, I don't know if it was because I doubled it. I had 4 people, so I have double the ingredients. But I had to add way more water than what it called for. So we'll stir that up really good. And then we'll plate it on our paper paper plates today?
Fine china.
Fine china. Excuse the paper plates tonight. I don't feel like doing dishes. We've been cleaning all day and I don't want to clean any more dishes today. Alright, then we're going to put the butter and feta on top. I don't know if the boys will like this or not, but they're getting it anyway. I like feta cheese. I think it's good. You want a lot or a little?
I like it. A lot.
So there's that. Get the beans off. Oops. Drop some on the floor.
Maybe use your dogs again. Get them out of the way.
Yes, I can.
They're behind you.
Much easier. You want a lot of beans or a little?
Just whatever.
The test will be if the boys like it. Hopefully they do. Alright, we'll come back and we'll see how everybody likes it.